Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we'll install a Downflow Economizer in the Renaissance 3 through 5 ton non-DDC commercial platform. The Economizer kit includes the damper assembly, hood sections, enthalpy and temperature sensors, the Honeywell Jade Economizer controller, and wiring harness. We will cover the configuration of the Jade Economizer controller in another video. Remove the air filter access panel and lower cover. Lift and set the Economizer damper assembly into the cabinet. Mount the outdoor air enthalpy sensor to the damper housing using the provided screws. A label indicates the correct location for the sensor. Connect the cable with the purple and white striped wires to the plug on the enthalpy sensor. Using the lower air filter access panel, previously removed, set it face down on a sturdy work surface. Attach the left and right side hood panels to the back of the air filter access panel with 3 screws on each side. Assemble the 2 pieces of the hood divider panel. Install the hood divider panel between the 2 side panels using 3 screws on each side. Install the angled rain cap across the top of the Economizer, securing with 1 screw on each side. Mount the hood assembly under the rain cap. Secure with 3 screws on each side. Using 3 self-tapping screws, secure the top of the hood assembly to the rain cap. Install the fresh air intake filters into the opening of the hood and attach the filter support rail to the bottom edge of the hood panel, securing with 3 screws. Locate the Economizer wiring harness. Unplug the 3-wire jumper plug. Save this as it'll be used in the next step. Connect the 12-pin male Molex plug to the 12-pin female Molex connector on the top of the Economizer damper assembly. At the left side of the Economizer damper assembly, connect the 3-wire jumper plug to the 12-pin Molex connector. The jumper plug will not be used if an optional factory smoke detector is installed. Remove the blower access cover so the mixed air temperature sensor with the orange markings on the label can be installed. On the wiring harness near the top left-hand side of the blower compartment, locate the free 2-pin white Molex connector with black wires. Plug this into the temperature sensor. Secure the temperature sensor to the wiring harness using a cable tie. Remove the control panel access cover. The Honeywell Jade Economizer controller will mount in the left-hand side of the control panel using the provided screws. Attach the controller to the panel. Attach the wiring harness to the controller. The 6-pin plug with the blue, gray, green, red, and purple wires connects to the connector marked with blue on the upper right side of the control. The 6-pin plug with the 2 orange, 2 yellow, brown, and red wires connects to the connector marked with gray on the lower right side. The 2-pin plug with the black wires connects to the connector marked with orange and MAT at the upper left side of the controller. The 2-pin plug with the purple wires connects to the connector marked with black and S bus. The green ground wire with the ring terminal gets connected to the back of the control box with the provided screw. At the main control board on the right side of the control panel, locate and disconnect the 15-pin Molex connector for the Economizer. Using the new wiring harness from the Honeywell Jade controller, plug the 15-pin male Molex connector into the female connector on the main control board. Connect the 15-pin female connector to the 15-pin male connector that was removed from the control board. Using cable ties, secure the new wiring harness to the existing cables across the top of the control panel. Reinstall all panels removed from the unit. The installation of the Economizer is now complete. See a follow-up video for programming the Honeywell Jade Economizer controller and one on Economizer commissioning. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.